I'm at a little park nearby my place in Santa Monica. Just a tiny, but you can hear possibly the cricket and the tiny fly, tiny mosquito-like fly is flying. And I thought, what amazing stuff that 2 millimeter fly can fly to live. How can that happen? And that's the amazing situation here. I like these trees too, with all the leaves. Maybe you cannot see it, but it's magical, and it's the middle of the city. I'm lucky. I think I always find some interesting place, like a kids discovering how to play without anything. I think I have that sense.